First of all, I like to welcome you all. I am Vishakha Nigde, first year diploma student from Zeal Polytechnic, Pune. Subject Element of Electrical Engineering. Topic Prepare report and short PowerPoint presentation on real time application on DC motor. And my group members are Nitesh Suryavanshi, Atharva Chaugade, Kiran Kamble, and Janvi Jagtap. And our project guider Amruta More ma'am. What is a DC motor? A DC motor is an electric motor that runs on direct current power in an electric motor. The operation is dependent upon simple electromagnetism. A current carrying conductor generates a magnetic field. When this is then placed in an external magnetic field, it will encounter a force proportional to the current in the conductor and the straight of its. It is a device that converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. It works on the fact that a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field experiences a force that causes it to rotate with respect to its original position. Practical DC motor consists of field winding to provide the magnetic flux and armature which acts as the conductor. The input of a brushless DC motor is current, voltage, and its output to turquoise. Understanding the operation of DC motor is very simple from the basic diagram is shown below. DC motor basically consists of two main parts. The rotating part is called rotor and the stationary part is called stator. The rotor rotates with respect to the stator. As the rotor reaches alignment, the brushes move to the next commutator contacts with energize the next winding. The rotor reverses the direction of the current through the rotor winding, promoting a flip of the rotor's magnetic field, driving it to keep rotating. Construction of DC motor. The construction of DC motor is shown below. It is very important to know its design before knowing its working. The essential parts of motor include armature as well as stator. The armature coil in the rotating part, whereas the stationary part in the stator. In the DC in the DC supply, which includes the brushes as well as the communicators. The main function of the communicator is AC to DC, which will induce in the armature. DC motor parts. In DC motor, there are different popular designs of motor that are available like brushless, permanent magnet, series, compound wound, shunt, otherwise stabilized shunt, stator. A stationary part like a stator is one of the part in DC motor which includes the field winding. The main function of this is get the supply. Router. The router is a dynamic part of motor that is used to create the mechanical revolution of the unit. Brushes. Brushes using a communicator mainly work as a bright to fix stationary electrical circuits towards the rotor. Communicator. It is a split ring that is designed with copper segment. It is also one of the most essential part of the DC motor. Field windings. These windings are made with the field coils which are known as copper wires. These windings round approximately the slots carried through the pole shows. Armature wings. The construction of these windings in the DC motor is of two types like lap wave yoke, a magnetic frame like a yoke. A yoke frame like a yoke is designed with cast iron or steel sometimes. It works like a guard. Poles. Poles in the motor include two main parts like pole core as well as pole shoes. These essential parts are connected together through hydraulic force and are connected to the yoke. Teeth slot. The non-conducting slot liner are frequently jammed among the slot valves as well as coils are safely from scratch. Mechanical support and additional electrical insulation. The magnetic material between the slot is called teeth. Motor housing. The housing of the motor gives support to the brushes, the bearing, and the iron core. Advantages. The advantages of series motor includes the following: use starting turkey, simple construction, designing is easy, maintenance is easy, cost applications. Shunt DC motor are very suitable for belt driven application. This constant speed motor is used in the industrial and automotive applications such as machine tools like winding unwinding machines where a great amount of turkey precision is required. Shunt DC motor characteristics: speed is fairly constant and medium starting turkey. Application: first, browser and fans; second, centrifugal and reciprocating pumps; third, lathe machines; fourth, machine tools; fifth, milling machines; sixth, driving machines. Communicating compound DC motor characteristics: high starting turkey, no load condition is allowed. Application: rolling mills, punches, shears, heavy planners, evaluators. Thank you.